Hey, I'd like to share a little bit about these kitchen tongs here. I really like them. That's why I want to tell you a little bit about them. They're very durable, very solid. As you can see, as I'm pushing here, they're not just collapsing in on it. I like how it has the little scalloped edges there. Right along the handle here, it has the silicone rubber on both sides, and it has it on this little hook. You can use that for hanging it up. This is also, you push it in and that's how it opens up. If I close it, pull it back, keeps it together. I like how they're nice and long, so that way, if you're working down deep, like in this air fryer, I can reach it right down in there. Even in a bigger pot like this, you can reach down in there and not get your hands too close. You can reach all the way down to the bottom. That's really nice. So if you're looking to get some new kitchen tongs, these ones don't disappoint. They're very good. I like it has a nice wide opening there. It works good. It's very easy to grip and pick up food. Holds it very stable. It doesn't just slide out. I think these ones are an excellent choice.